So, Rob, we've got a challenge coming up. We haven't discussed this one. I just know it's, my turn to pick, and it's cold outside. Gave me an idea. Showing you the outdoors doesn't make it look any more or less cold. But the cold outside has made me watch a lot of YouTube lately, that and trying to get back into the swing of doing this stuff. And I've been watching your favorite photographer, Kobayashi, or whatever her name is, and she's had Woelful on there a lot. So here's my idea. I dig Brandon Woelful's photography. We've talked about that a little bit. I think that our challenge needs to be a Brandon Woelful style photo shoot with a few caveats. Now here's the first caveat. Number one, no studio lights. He usually does not use studio lights. He normally uses fairy lights or Christmas lights or neon lights from a sign or something to that effect outdoors. No studio lights. That's caveat number one. Caveat number two, the model must be wearing a sweater because it's cold outside. And I bought my wife a new one, and she hasn't even tried it on yet. She's a regular sweater. She hasn't even tried it on yet. It's just sitting out here in the garage waiting to be, washed and used. So that's the two caveats. Well, I guess three caveats. Number one, no studio lights. No bowlings, no apertures, no soft boxes, no big stuff, no little stuff. Caveat number two, all of your lighting source must either be natural, a Christmas light, a fairy light, a neon sign, something to that effect. And the final caveat is the model must be wearing a sweater. Now, I'm already a day late getting this video posted. So, the normal schedule, for those of you keeping up with these challenge videos, Thursdays will be a challenge video coming out, at least from me. Rob may be releasing his challenge videos on a Wednesday. I don't know what his schedule is. We haven't really discussed that, but the official date of the week, day of the week, the official day of the week to post the challenge video is going to be Thursday, and the official release date of our challenge responses will be Tuesday. That'll give Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday to get the shoot done and get a video and get it posted. Shouldn't be that hard because none of these challenges are going to be a big deal. Now, if you are keeping up with this and would like to participate in the challenge, I will figure out how to do that before the next challenge comes up. Probably just make it some hashtag and put it on Twitter or Instagram or something. But I would love to see more than just me and Rob participating in these challenges, though the video responses will always be Rob and me at the very least, and you are welcome to do that as well. So if you shoot a video as a challenge response along with the photography work required for the challenge itself, let me know. I'll include it in my video, tag you on Twitter, Instagram, or wherever we're doing these things at, whatever I come up with. I'll figure it out by the next time I make one of these videos and let you guys know. But feel free to participate. All right, so if you are following this photo challenge on my channel and you are not following it on Rob's channel, I'm going to drop a card right up here to Rob's channel. There will be a link in the video description. Make sure you go subscribe to him and watch what he does, because he's doing a lot of really cool stuff, a lot of photo shoots all the time, posting lots of behind the scenes stuff. You know, Rob's really good. It's one of the reasons why I like talking to the guy, like hanging out with the guy, like shooting with the guy, and I love these challenges because of that. If Rob sucked, I wouldn't really want to do this. But on the flip side of that, I like to bust Rob's balls a lot, and he always takes it incredibly personally because he's a very sensitive man. So, you know, that's a lot of fun too. But here's the thing. If you're not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this and came from Rob's channel, definitely leave me a comment. Let me know that you found me from Rob's channel. And subscribe while you're here. Click the thumbs up button, like the video, and stay tuned for more of these photography challenges while my voice cracks while I'm talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.